13. And now we're doing a trilogy. Yeah, right. But we're going to get it together now. We're getting it together. Now we have the new hope. This thing's going to be done. Like, it's Saturday now. So last weekend we got to work on this thing. We'll have it done and out of there by Wednesday. So we can't push it out yet. We can't even push it out. So let's just keep persistent. How about that Ainsy, eh? What a fucking jerk, man. Yeah. All right. Let's roll with it.
Where to, what to believe in, when to really so. Where to, not to deceive in, we don't take control. Believe what you read or what you see, but you don't really know. Believe what you want, but don't deceive me, you won't take control. As if I need to turn on that TV, I don't even need to know the reasons. Life's not meant to be misinformed and confused. To the line, real time. Woman out into the line. Vicious lies turned into real lies. You've been sold. Your mind is now in their control.
It's been a day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? Alright, so lunch is done, and the kids are now doing other stuff, so that distraction hopefully is gone. Let's have a quick recap and see where we're at. And the thought is next I'm gonna put this bracket in, get this engine mount in here. Do we see that? I'm looking at the camera. Get this bracket in here, engine mount in here. We might go ahead and mount that. And then we'll button up the starter motor then, I think, because that's easy to get out without that little crossy member bit. And we'll dig out while we're down there the speed sensor cables tucked away up in there somewhere, the cables for the starter. I don't think there's anything that's going to get in the way of that speed sensor, so we'll button that up now while it's easy, and get that rear engine mount in. We might do the speed sensor after that, actually, at one of those orders. But yeah, so for now, this, and then the starter, and we'll probably just assess the rear engine mount a bit before we tackle that, and probably come back with another little update then, see how we go. Hopefully everything goes to plan, and yeah, we can progress. So yeah, we didn't get far. Shitting on the cross thread. The worst spot too, man. Like, just could have been the one in the back of the engine mount, I guess. But anyway, slow progress. Right, so we didn't quite progress as well as we wanted to, but I wanted to freaking touch on this because this is just, well, this is the second easiest one, really. This one was like easy peasy. We can't put that one back in until this one goes back in, which, so not looking forward to that one. Not looking forward to that bit. This bit was supposed to be fine, but just, where's my ratchet on there? This is what this is like. So there's a bolt that you've got to get from down in here somewhere. Where is it? Down underneath here into there, right? and then like this sort of no room, and I had my chain here, so I had to pull all this out. That's fine. This is still stuck in there because I think pretty sure that strap's stuck on there. That's coolant leaking out of there again. That's fine. Don't worry about that. So that was that one. And then there's one up in here that you got to get as well. That one. Maybe you can see, yeah. So you got to get this one in. That wasn't too bad. And then these ones that you got to like, hold the condenser lines out of the way, like this. Way you get it them, and then this one cross-threaded as it goes in, so then I also had to tap that with all that shite there, so I had to pull it back out again because that was in the way of actually trying to turn the thing. You just go, because you can't get the little tool in there. Anyway, righto, that one's done. We might just pull the motor up a little bit, and we'll put the bolt through that. And then if we need to jimmy it to get the other one in, we'll see. Let's go. Next. All right, we return. Starter motor is in. It's the bolt on the top there, so you can see the starter motor. I put these cables back out of hiding. They're pretty self-explanatory where they go, which is good. One sort of wants to go sideways. One wants to go straight down. Clip will need to go back in, but first I'm going to get down here with the light of this torch. I've got the trolley now, so I'm struggling around on the ground so much. It's missing a wheel, but got long hair too, so it's got to be tucked away. We've already caught our hair in it because we forgot about that. So let's get in here and have a gander. Alright, there's our starter motor, brand new factory from Toyota. It's pretty expensive. Not really, it's just cleaned her up. Looks good. Now, what can we see? Can we see this speedo cable? Can we see it? Where do we hide ya? Where do you come out of the dash? That might be a good start. I think there we go. There we go, over here somewhere. Yeah. Tucked in. Oh, stuck right up in here. I knew I got it right out of the way. Let's scoot you back up. Oh, come on. Alright. Come on now. You're coming. You know where you want to go. You know where your home is. Yeah, you can see this. We'll have a good look at this while we're down here, actually. Oh, that's going. Wants to go up a bit more. Back out that way, around there where you fall out now. So this thing here, you'd want to be careful with this because that's just plastic. So that'll strip really easy. That's, yeah, that is what it is. So you can scoot back up there somewhere, and I'll fiddle around with that at the top. Oh, I'll go over the side. No, we'll leave it there for now. That's good. We can scoot up there and get that back into place. At least where it goes anyway. And we'll do this part down here too. This rear engine mount. Where are you? Here. So this is a bit of a process because this cross member here links up to this bar that goes across here, which sits underneath the engine mount. So it's got to go in between there. And those bolts from the engine mount have got to come on there too. Oh, that's nice. It's trying to crawl around, isn't it? Oh. So, there. Oh, tripping over everywhere. Where is this engine mount? Here. So it's going to go in. Oh, excuse me. Whatever way it goes in. These. Hopefully, I reckon we just, I don't think we need to tap them back in. I think the pressure of the bolt itself will cram that one back in. So we'll check on that once we get it in. Hard part's going to be getting it in because it was a dick around to get out. That power steering pump right in the way, but hopefully we can wangle it all in there. That's the next task. After a million distractions today, with this and that and kids and blah 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 blah, haven't really had a clean shot at it, so it'd be nice to get a good couple of hours in. It's getting later now, it's starting to sunsetting. we'll just be back under the torchlight, and so hopefully we can get some good progress in the next couple of hours. And I'm not expecting to have it done today, but it'd be nice to be on the home straight sort of by the time I'm ready to have a cold snack. But that's where we're at now, so let's keep going. Yeah. Yeah, that cable's a bit tricky to find. Just a note for future Nathan, who's probably trying to watch this video, trying to figure out where his vacuum leak is. I disconnected this little vacuum line there off the throttle body. I noticed I've dropped one off here too, and I can't find that cable, so I did have that vacuum line just sort of tucked in there, and it's gone. So when that turns up, that's where that goes. But we've noticed in the past, like when we accelerated on this, it had a bit of a sticky accelerator, and I noticed just, I thought I'd have a little play here, and it's like just a bit tight there. So can you see that? Just yep, far out. Just trying to do things with 2 hands. This one here is a bit, just when it was sitting there for a bit, it was a bit sticky, so I'll just do the right thing there and give her a, and see how that goes now. So that fixes something else. It's still a bit. Get that out of there. Pump you in a little bit. Maybe a scooch more. Just squirt this shit in there. That'll be fine. That's good. That's how we roll. That's all we got. I noticed this cable's a bit, I'll probably tension that sometime. I don't know, I'll look into that. It's really stretched. But yeah, bugging me where that vacuum line's gone. Probably not even seen it on the camera here somewhere. Just put it in there and have a look. When you're doing this, you just make sure you hold it in the spot for a second. Yeah, rat hose and head hose and every single thing's in the way. This stuff just moves in and out of the way as I need to, so I've moved that over this side for now. It was all poked up in there before. It's possibly when I pulled that other line out. All sorts of bits and pieces I've noticed that I haven't cleaned, but really it's just getting to the stage now where I'm kind of over it, and I'll just get it going first. Then she can have some mud, you know. It's not like it's going to be the only thing that probably gets done to it, so. Well, that's just a bit of tape, I think, hanging off there. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Don't worry about that. Alright, let's keep going. Get this engine mount in, otherwise we'll be here all night. Let's go.